I'm Dakota.
And we're the Wandering Skippers. If you guys are new here, make sure to like and comment on this video and hit that subscribe button. You can follow along. We're currently on a 2-month road trip and this is our first week. Now is when the adventure begins. We're finally out west. We'll be doing lots of hiking and we'll take you guys to all the notable places.
Stay tuned.
The drive from Austin, Texas to Carlsbad was about 8 hours, but it was so beautiful. We made it to New Mexico. This is our cute little patio at our Airbnb. And you walk right in, and there's this cute TV center, the living room, the kitchen, cute little bar area, and then the bedroom, and the bathroom. Nice and small. We'll be here for 2 days. Gonna explore Carlsbad, New Mexico. So we are in Carlsbad, New Mexico, and we actually just went into the earth. We went on an awesome hike into the Carlsbad Caverns, and it was literally like Mars in there.
It was crazy. Yeah. Otherworldly.
It was awesome. We definitely recommend it, and we will put some videos and pictures right after this. Before heading to the caverns, we enjoyed some oatmeal and tea on our patio. It was nice and chilly in Carlsbad when we woke up. When you enter Carlsbad Caverns National Park, it's about a 10-minute drive to actually get to the entrance, but lucky for you, it is such a scenic drive. If you guys noticed, there were so many hills and cactuses and wildlife for us to enjoy. This is the only entrance to the Carlsbad Caverns, and it is a little bit spooky in there. You walk down this path and it does stink at the beginning, but that subsides. All right guys, so we're in the cave right now. Look at it. We're walking all the way down there. Look at this. It's a little stinky, honestly.
Very.
It smells stinky.
Very.
The reason for the smell when you enter the caverns is because there are hundreds of thousands of bats in this cave and they leave every night, and on their way out they release a bunch of poop. Because there are so many bats in the cavern, you do have to whisper the whole time. Once you make it past the entrance, you do start to lose sunlight. So it is very dark in the caverns, so I do recommend bringing a flashlight. Also, it gets very chilly because there is no natural sunlight deep in the cavern. So bring a jacket as well. We were a little bit cold, but it was so amazing.
Yeah, we're in the fucking
We're
cave
in
right
the
now.
cave. It's fucking scary, honestly.
We still have 40 minutes to go.
Look at that. We're just in the earth. So you can kind of see a little more. That's the entrance that we came through. We're going that way. Once you get deeper into the caverns, they do have some rock formations that are lit up, very dimly though, because they don't want to bother or disrupt the bats. But if you can see here, the earth is insane. There's water. Even see it. If you have an iPhone, I definitely recommend you take pictures using night vision. It made all the pictures come out so much better, and I kid you not guys, it's seriously like Mars in there. We felt like we were in a different planet. Once you make it to the grand floor of the caverns, it's about a 45-minute hike. In total, we did hike for about 4 hours, but that was including a lot of stops to take pictures and videos. We were in awe of these caverns. cavern is filled with stalagmite and stalactite, which you can see all over the walls and the ground. When we first arrived, they did tell us they don't know much about the caverns and to enter at our own risk. What they do know is it's about 4 million years old, but it wasn't discovered until 1901 by an 18-year-old named James Larkin White. James was a cowboy in New Mexico, and he was out on his horse one day and noticed a bunch of bats emerging from a hole in the ground. He didn't explore the caverns that day, but a few days later he did bring his friend back, and they hiked miles into the caves. And back then it was extremely dark, obviously, and very dangerous. When they were exploring, they did leave markings on the walls just so that they didn't get lost, and those markings can actually still be seen today. The Carlsbad Caverns were unlike any other experience we've ever had. Wow, we definitely recommend the Carlsbad Caverns. It was literally like being on Mars. It was such an incredible experience, and it was a 4-hour hike through the earth. Doing a little hike after the caverns. There are some hikes outside of the cavern as well that you can do. We decided to do one afterwards as well, just to warm up, because again, it was very cold inside of those caverns. After Carlsbad, we headed to Albuquerque, New Mexico, but not before we had to pick up some new pillows because some of the Airbnb pillows were not working out for us. On our way to Albuquerque, we did stop in Roswell, which we definitely recommend to all of you guys. It's kind of a really cute little alien town, and you'll drive right through it if you're going from Carlsbad to Albuquerque. They have some really unique stuff there, and it's believed that there are alien abductions and lots of alien landings here. The whole town is in on the alien theme. Even a Dunkin' Donuts was there that had an alien holding their sign. They also put alien eyes on all of their light posts, and they have an alien museum that you can go to while you're there. After Carlsbad, we headed to Albuquerque. Make sure you guys like and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel. We will be putting out our Albuquerque video on Wednesday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.